Yeah, that's a good looking hat, ain't it? Homeboy come by and drop that off. He's been through some shit here recently. The tough shit. One day that some bitch asked me, he said, you want to smoke some pot? We were kids. We was riding bicycles. I didn't know smoking pot would get your ass whooped, but it would. You look at the picture after this video, that's his mama. I call her Clubber Lang. Big old pretty redheaded thing. She's doing Shay Hobson's mama's hair. Shay played, I think, played for the WNBA. I know she played for the Razorbacks. Highly talented basketball player from Hot Springs, Arkansas. But as the story goes, yeah, I wanted to smoke some weed my first time. We got on them bicycles. We got that tin can. We smoked that little tin can. We went back to my homeboy's house. And he went in the door. And that's when the ass whooping started. It had to be at least 140 feet of ass whooping when his mama got a hold of him, because she went all the way down from the house on the door on the house all the way to the back of the mobile home, and then come on back doing that kung fu shit. And all I could hear was stop. Don't hit me again, mama. Because Pat Henson, I still to this day I call her Clubber Lang. Hell, she hit like a damn grown man. And pretty as a damn diamond. Love her to death. Yeah. My first time smoking weed, it was kind of like one of those cardio events. We smoked that shit. We rode bicycles and got good and healthy. And then we run like hell from his mama. Because she was beating the hell out of poor old Chris now. He was getting it. We grew up together. Yep. I thought that fucking smoking weed was all about love and peace and colors. Hell, when she got done with him, it was about ass whoopings, black eyes, and all you little son bitches get on out of my yard. God bless you. I love you, Chris. Thank you for the hat. Fluid English.